Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have got another run deal to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos for you all this week, and you might want to go and check them out because Dollar General has been absolutely on fire with the deals this week. We have great coupon matchups, we have run deals, we have glitches, we have freebies, the whole 9 yards. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have everything listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, your girl just left Dollar General. I'm actually, in fact, still in the parking lot, and I'm watching a couple of dumpster divers pull a bunch of stuff out of the dumpster. So far, they found totes, a little rack thing, a bunch of stuff in boxes. I'm not sure if any of it's worth a count, but hey, they are out there and they're having fun dumpster diving. Let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever went dumpster diving, or would you want to? Now, let's go ahead and talk about this triple stack run deal. Now, this is for today, Saturday, December the 9th only. You can only do this deal today. So it's definitely a run deal. It's a triple stack deal, and honestly, I'm not quite sure how I didn't catch this earlier, because I actually mentioned this deal in our 5 off $25 scenario video. But for whatever reason, we've had a couple of late nights. There's a couple of people in my family that are sick right now, so we've had a rough go at it this week. But anyways, once I got into the store, I was scanning my items with the Dollar General app, making sure all the coupons attached, and lo and behold, there it was. It clicked for me, and I was like, OMG. I told everybody wrong this morning. So this is a little bit of a correction. Not a huge correction, but a little bit of one. So right now at Dollar General, of course, we have our regular 5 off $25 coupon. We get that every Saturday. We also have a 5 off 25 DG store coupon for the Purina Friskies cat food. That one does expire on the 11th, so we've only got a couple of days to use it. We also, this week at DG, have an instant savings of $5 when you spend $25 on the Purina pet food. All three of these deals are stacking and working together. Here is the deal that I did. What you want to do is go into your store. There's a lot of products that are included in that instant savings promotion, but what I'm looking for are these 3.15 pound bags of the Friskies dry cat food. I picked up a total of 6 bags. That put my subtotal at $35.10. The $5 in instant savings comes off first at the register. That's going to bring your new subtotal to $30.10. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Of course, your 5 off 25, your 5 off 25 for the Friskies, and the 5 off 3 Friskies cat food. After coupons, you're paying $15.10 for 6 items, but the deal gets better because we bought 6 total bags of the Friskies dry cat food. So you're going to submit your receipt to ShopMem. You're going to get $5 back on there for that manufacturer coupon. And then we also have a $5 rebate on Swagbucks or inbox dollars for when you purchase 3. So you're getting back a total of $10. That's going to make your final price $5.10 for 6 items, making each one just 85 cents each for 19 pounds of cat food. Y'all know your girl's always taking in stray cats. In fact, we just got a brand new one 2 weeks ago. So I definitely took advantage of this deal a couple of times. It's definitely a go, and I hope that you guys can get in on this deal too. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I will be posting pictures of my hauls over on the community tab, so y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for that. And of course, first thing tomorrow morning, we're going to be going over new coupons and new glitches. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.